Hello everyone. Welcome to other lesson. Today we are going to learn perpendicular constraint. The perpendicular constraint is used to forces two lines to remain at a 90 degree to one another. So you will learn how to apply perpendicular constraint to the line in the design area. First we have to click to select the lines. Click the first line. Press Shift on keyboard. Hold it and click another one. Click the perpendicular constraint. Now the perpendicular constraint has applied to the lines. You could also see the icon of perpendicular constraint has appeared after applying. Although I click the end point of the line and drag to move it, but still perpendicular to another. After that I would like to apply perpendicular constraint to the line of triangle corner with this line. What we need to do first is click to select both lines. By clicking on corner line of triangle, hold Shift key on the keyboard and click another one, and move the mouse to click the perpendicular constraint. The lines have updated to perpendicular each other. If you click the line endpoint, drag to move, it still keep 90 degree angle between the both lines.